Hello, and welcome to our video. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between physical changes and chemical changes. A physical change is a change in which the substance's physical properties change, but the chemical composition remains the same. For example, when water freezes and turns into ice, it is undergoing a physical change. The water molecules are still water molecules, but they're now arranged in a different way. Some other examples of physical changes include melting. When a solid melts into a liquid, it is undergoing a physical change. Boiling. When a liquid changes into a gas, it is undergoing a physical change. Dissolving. When a solid dissolves in liquid, it is also undergoing a physical change. Here, sugar is being dissolved in water. Changing the shape or cutting something is also a physical change, like sawing a log in half. The key notion is that in a physical change, the identity of the substance is not changed. A chemical change is a change in which the substance's chemical composition changes. For example, when iron rusts, it is undergoing a chemical change. The iron atoms are reacting with oxygen atoms to form iron oxide. Some other examples of chemical changes include burning. When a substance burns, it is undergoing a chemical change. Cooking. When you cook food, the food is undergoing a chemical change. Digestion. When you digest your food is undergoing chemical changes. How can you tell the type of change? There are a few ways to tell if a change is physical or chemical. One way is to look for the formation of a new substance. If a new substance is formed, then the change is chemical. Another way to tell is look for a change in color, odor, or temperature. If there is a change in color, odor, or temperature, then the change is likely chemical. Here are some examples of physical and chemical changes. You decide which is which. Melting an ice cube is a physical change. Burning wood is a chemical change. Dissolving salt in water, a physical change. Boiling water, a physical change. And baking a cake is a chemical change. I hope this helps you understand the difference between physical and chemical changes. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.